I'm Emily from the education team. Today, we're making a sculpture inspired by German Renaissance clocks in the museum's collection. Before we get started, let's head into the galleries. I'm here at the museum in the Renaissance galleries. I'm surrounded by clocks. Check it out. These pieces were designed for function and beauty. They tell time and they're highly decorative. Let's look more closely at this one. This is Table Clock with Astronomical and Calendar Dials by Ludwig Hirschtel from 1658. This was likely the masterpiece clock Hirschtel submitted to the Augsburg Clockmakers Guild. Once the guild approved it, he would have become a master clockmaker and could open his own workshop. This is called a tower clock. It looks like the tower on a building. You've probably seen clocks with one dial. This one has 12. They track the months of the year, hours, quarter hours, days of the week, and the zodiac. We can also see architectural details like pillars and balustrades. He didn't stop there. You can also find scenes of the four seasons, floral designs, and on each corner, cherubs and winged creatures. Now that we're inspired, let's get started. For this project, you'll need small boxes, scrap paper, found objects, glue or tape, and a permanent marker. If you can find gold things, even better. Start with making the structure. I'm making my own version of a tower, starting with big pieces and adding smaller ones as I go up. How do you want people to view your clock? From all four sides, like the clock at the museum, or just one or two? Next, add a clock face. You can add other dials too if you want. You choose what they're for. And now, my favorite part, adding the decorations. You can draw them, glue them on, or both. I took inspiration from the clock at the museum and drew a winter scene with snowflakes on this side. When you finish, find a spot to display it. Thanks for joining me.